Using Chrome browser, where you have logged into your Mount Royal Google account, click on the address box. Type learn.mru.ca, then press Enter. Click Log in with your MRU Google account. Choose your MRU Google account. Type your password, then press Enter. Select a course. Pin your course so it will always be at the top of the list. Then click your course to go into it. Click Course Home. That is also the default page. In the Links section, click I Interactive. That gives you access to your digital textbook. Your teacher will explain this in class. For now, just click X to close it. Next, click Funding Absence Report. All funded students must fill out a form anytime they miss a class. Fill out the form and then click the Submit button at the bottom. But for now, let's just exit the tab. If you click the library link, it will take you to the library webpage for English language learners. You will have a library tour in the first month of classes. But for now, just close the tab. Scroll down to view announcements. Your teachers will post important information here for you. It is your responsibility to check the announcements regularly outside of class time. Next, let's view the content. Click Content in the nav bar. Notice that the navigation bar stays at the top of the screen. This makes it easy to find your way around the site. Let's start by clicking on the Course Information module. To view a document, for instance, the test calendar, click on the link for it. It will open up. Scroll down to be able to download it. Then click the Download button. You can open the downloaded document by clicking it. Sometimes it appears in the upper right. Other times, in different browsers, it'll appear in the bottom left. When you're done, close the tab to close it. To return to course information, first scroll to the top. Then, click on Course Information. Another important module is Technical Support. Scroll down to see it, including all the sub-modules. To send an email, click on Communication in the nav bar. It's quicker to send an email by clicking the class list. Then, click a checkbox beside the person who you'd like to send an email to. Then click Email. To add a subject, click after the name of the course in the subject line. Then type in a subject. Click in the body of the email to type in a message. Then type a message. When you're done, click Send. To find your instructor to email, sort the roles by clicking on Role. The instructor will come to the top. You can then check the box beside their name and then send them an email. Now, let us go to Assessments in the blue nav bar, and then Assignments. To do an assignment, click on the name of the assignment. Read the instructions, then scroll down to fill in the answer. Type the answer into the text submission box. When you're done, click Submit. To do a quiz, click Assessments again in the nav bar. Then click Quizzes. Click the quiz name. Click Start Quiz at the bottom. Click the answers to each question. When you're done, click Submit Quiz. If you forgot to do a question, you would be notified here and could go back to the questions. But if you're done, click Submit Quiz again. If your teacher allows it, you can see your score right now. When you're done, click Done. To view your grades, click on Grades in the blue nav bar. The top final calculated grade, weight achieved, which I am at 62 out of 70, is my running final grade. Scroll down to see more details. Here is the grade from the quiz. I got 30 out of 30. Here is my assignment grade. I got 32 out of 40. To view more feedback from my assignment, click on Assessments, then Assignments. I can see that I have feedback that I have not yet read. Here is the feedback from my instructor. Anytime you have a question about your grade, please talk to your teacher immediately. It is always better to have a face-to-face conversation so that you can clearly explain your concern, and your teacher can either help you understand your grade or make any changes to your grade if that is necessary. Email communication to ask about a grade is not a good idea. When you're done reading the assignment feedback, click Done. To be successful in our program, you need to attend classes, participate effectively, complete your homework, and know how to use all the digital tools that support your studies. I hope this video will help you get started with D2L. Please follow up with your teacher if you have any questions.